I'm Ralph Goldbeck with KitchensToGo by Mobile Modular, and we have a very interesting project up in Paradise, California. A permanent modular construction project that is being built to be delivered, and it will be a BP convenience store. This location is needed because of the loss of the prior store during the Paradise fire, which happened 2 years ago. Devastating fire for the community of Paradise. The community is rebuilding, and our KitchensToGo solution is just one part of that rebuilding process.
Well, I'm Everett Hoyle with KitchensToGo by Mobile Modular. I am a West Coast PM, and we are here today in Paradise, California, installing a BP gas station. As many of you know, this town was decimated by fire, and in a slow, steady process, they're rebuilding the town. The project basis is it's a gas station and convenience store. So we built two separate module units and brought them up, seam them together. It becomes one building where they can pick up their soda, pay for their gas, and grab snacks on the way out.
What's unique about this permanent modular solution is that it's actually built off-site. It's built at a factory down in Henderson, Nevada. It'll be transported up to Paradise on a lowboy flatbed trailer. It consists of two modules, and for all intents and purposes, it will just like a BP store like you would see stick-built from the ground up. The advantage here is that this prefabricated construction can actually save up to 40% off of the construction schedule. It allows the operator to open up sooner and start generating revenue.
We were fortunate enough to get BP, British Petroleum, reaching out to us and ask us to get involved with this project. This is one of their stations, so we, as always looking to the future, we are glad to be involved with it. This entire community is filled currently with contractors and people bringing the town back to life.
This prefabricated convenience store is part of the rebuilding process for the community of Paradise, California. 2 years ago, they had a devastating fire that wiped out 85% of the community. But luckily, the community of Paradise is rebuilding. Our KitchensToGo permanent modular solution is just a part of that rebuilding process. And it's gratifying to be able to be part of a new future for the community.